Hey guys, welcome to my video on DaVinci Resolve. This is going to be a tutorial on how to use chroma key and remove green screen backgrounds when doing videos. Well, the first step, what you're going to do is put your image that you want as the background on the bottom and the image in the video with the green screen on top. It has to be in that order. So what we're going to do is come down here to the bottom where the color button is, click on the color button, and you're going to want to create a new node. So Alt S creates the new node. So you can either do Alt S or you can come up here to color, go to nodes, and add serial node. Then you're going to click on that, and you're going to come down here to the color picker. When you come up here, you're going to try to get as close to the subject as possible. As you can tell, she is standing too close to the green screen, so she is throwing a shadow on there. You do not want to stand up close to the green screen or you're going to get a shadow, and you're going to have really good lighting to reach the back. Also, you see all the wrinkles in my green screen. It is going to make this more difficult to get it perfect. And I do have a better green screen coming, but as of right now when we film this video, it is with wrinkles, so that's going to make it more difficult. So what we're going to do is get as close to it as possible. And if you look over here at the node, you're going to see that she disappears and you can still see the background. Now you don't want it like that. You want it to be flipped. So you don't want the background to show, but you still want her to show. So you're going to hit this button right here, and it's going to flip. So now you see her, but you don't see the background. Now, as you can tell, it's not showing up here. So in order to get it to show up here, come over to this area, right click, and add alpha source. And then where the blue tab is here, click on that and drag over to the alpha source. Now as you can tell, the background did shine through now, so now you're seeing the effects. But you're like, why do I still have all this green? So what you're going to do is come down here to the hue, and you want to get rid of all the green hue. So try to cover the green without going into the other areas, because you will start to cut into the skin tone as well as your body. And bring that over. Now you see what I was saying about the wrinkles in the green screen. So that makes it very difficult to get this part out over here. So what you can do now is move the saturation, and that brings away some of it. Now you see how that's all gone here because we moved the saturation. And the radius, so if you have the outside edges and you want to get it more close, you can bring in the radius, and it does take away some of the green hue that's going around the outsides. Don't do it too much or you're going to cut into the object. You see that? And right there. And there we go.
Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm Emma, guess.
So as you can tell, it looks almost perfect. We even have wrinkles in that green screen, but you can't even tell because of the editing that we did. So that is how you remove the background and create a background when using a chroma key in green screen. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. If you have any comments or anything, leave them below. Like and subscribe, please, and hit that bell because I'm going to have many more tutorials on DaVinci as well as Photoshop, GIMP, and Premiere Pro coming in the near future. So please subscribe and hit that bell. Thank you guys and have a great day.